The Vivo Y20 comes with a 6.51-inch HD Plus display and a resolution of 720 x 1600 pixels. It is powered by a 5000 mAh battery. The back has this gradient look with the camera module. On the right, we have the volume buttons followed by the side-mounted fingerprint scanner that also acts as a power button. On the left, we have the SIM and the micro SD card slot. At the back, we have one 13-megapixel camera and two 2-megapixel cameras. At the front, we have a 8-megapixel front camera. It runs on FunTouch OS 11 and connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth 5.0, USB OTG, micro USB and FM radio.